Welcome, friends. In this project, I want to show you what to do if you are working with bitmap images that if they are stretched, they become grainy and poorly visible. If you want to change it to a vector image in Corel, what do you do? So in this experiment here, you can see I have a letterhead paper here, and you can see how it's looking. It was snapped from a camera as a JPEG file and imported into CorelDRAW. So nothing is visible and clear here. So what I did was to transform this to from the bitmap image that it is to this this vector image. So with this vector image, I can stretch it the way I want and it will still give me the same quality. So now I want to show you how you can do this. So one of the key tools, it's simple. One of the key tools you can use to get this done is found here. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have the freehand tools here. When you click here, you have the pen tool. So the pen tool can help you to trace the shape of these images of these different objects, and you can now fill it with the right color. So let me just show you. So if I want to get this top out, for an example, I could expand it a little. Then I will come over here. I'll use my trace tool, my pen to trace this. So I started from that point, click and click here, click here, then return back to the beginning. So I've done my tracing, so I can take this out. So that's what I have. So once I have this, I can fill it with this color. So how do I do that? I know it's a black color. I could fill it with black, or I could go straight down here to color it dropping to, and I can pick this color and fill it. So I will now have the original black color that is required. So I've gotten this. So I'll do the same for all. This one can easily write it out and shape it the way it is there. So I'll do the same for all of them. For example, if I want to get this object, so I'll go back again, use my pen tool, place this from here to here to here to here and back to the beginning. Once I do that, I can take this out and I can now fill it with the original color. So you can see what has just happened. So I'm filling this with the original color. I still have the black outline. So I will come around here, and here the system is telling me that the color code for this is FDD975. FDD975. So I'll just click here and change the outline color to that. So click to open this. Okay, sorry, change this. Click to open this. Then I'll come here. I can change it to, then change this to FDD975. So once I do that, you can see everything touches me. So I now have this. So if I do the same for all of them, okay, sorry, that did not apply. What happened? So let's go back. I did not click FDD, FDD975. Click OK. Click OK again. So that is applied now. If I do the same for all of these, I will end up having this kind of thing that you're looking at. So in this case, I've converted this. At the end of the day, I would have converted this bitmap image to the vector. You can see the presentation is clean and